2018 Toyota RAV4 came in with a loud banging noise over bumps, and the suspension told the whole story. Road test confirmed metal-to-metal knocking noise from the front and rear suspension. Noise most noticeable over potholes, speed bumps, and driveway transitions. Findings: front suspension. Both front lower control arm bushings were separated from their sleeves. Bushings no longer isolating suspension movement. Rear suspension. Both rear trailing arm bushings were also separated from their sleeves. Cause: road salt corrosion severely deteriorated the rubber and metal bonding. Salt intrusion accelerated bushing failure, allowing excessive suspension movement.
Grease Tech here. Hit like and follow video service information for more breakdowns and mechanical carnage.